Hello guys, welcome back to my garage. So for today we're gonna make I will call mini coffee table. So yeah, tomorrow is Women's Day, 8th of March. So I will try and impress my wife. Hopefully she will like, I'm not sure. So for today we will need, first of all we will do the frame and after wooden part. So for the frame we will need, obviously we not need, you will choose your size. I just have of one of my projects fencing, like 1 meter offcuts, square tubing, 25 by 25 millimeters. So I will use that. And that's it. So I don't have any measurements in my mind. I'm just gonna go and do it. So I will tell you at the end what size table. Yeah, so let's begin to cut into the sizes what they need, because it's all different sizes. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so I cut all method to the sizes. So my table will be square, 70 centimeters by 70 and height 40. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna weld 2 squares. So like this. Yeah, something like that. So to make sure it's all square, I will use my small welding clamps. Actually, it's not welding clamps, it's carpenters using them. They're aluminum lightweight. But I found to make a small project like this. So they look like this. They're simple and they are cheap. I bought on Amazon. I think 4 of them like 10 bucks or something. Yeah, they're cheap. They are cheap. So what we're doing, we're setting up now 1 square at the time. Weld it up, do another one. And we need to repeat for all 4 like this, same process. Okay, so all set up and ready for that. Okay, so let's weld it. Okay, so welded all 4 corners. So we need to do the same process. Flip it over, weld it 4 corners and do another, exactly the same square. I will do that out of camera and we'll come back when it's done. Okay, so 2 exactly the same squares weld. Yeah, exactly the same. So what next? We need to clean up the weldings. I will use my angle grinder. Again, I'm using angle grinder. It's the best way to use the glasses and air protections, gloves too. So let's begin. Okay, it's finished clean it. All nice and smooth. So what next? Next we need to do legs. So we need to do like this in all four corners. Okay, so weld it all four all around. So what next? Need to weld another part. So we'll flip around, upside down. Flip this up. Yeah, fits perfect. Okay, all four corners tucked in, so we need to weld from outside corners. Don't need to weld inside because here it's going to be worktop and you won't be able to see. I just weld it around the bottom one because it will be visible. Okay, start. Okay, so all corners welded. Now we need to grind off the weldings. So, okay, so all cleaned up, welded everything around. So what we do now? I decided not to leave siding like this. I will do some, like, well, how to say, mesh. So I'm gonna use 6mm solid wire, metal wire. Yeah, so I need to cut to the sizes and I'll show you how it's gonna work and how I'm gonna do it. I'm cutting just random lengths and I will put them random positions, so let's do it. Yeah, so it's something like that. So I will do all four sides. Okay, so all sides, all four sides. So put like that. Oh, nice. Next we're going to do the worktop. Recently I changed my flooring in my house and left a lot of offcuts, real oak wood. So I will try to do from that. Okay, so let's measure up the sizes because I want to sink in level with wood. And I need to weld some holders here. And after we will cut this to the sizes, glue it together and put in. I want to be level with the metal, so you need to mark it up. Okay, so all welding done. I weld in here some brackets so it will sit nicely level with the metal. So what next? Next we need to cut wood. I need to take my chop saw is ready. So let's measure up exactly size what we need. So we will need 64.4. Go. Okay, so all cut it to the side, let's put it together. Yeah. So what's left to do is perfect. just to paint. That's it. I like it. Looks really nice. So, okay, I left like this unpainted. I tried with the spray can. It's not works. It's not nice. So I cleaned it up again, and I will drop to the local powder coating shop. So I just spoke with them. They're gonna charge me 10 euros. So I'm not gonna give a lot of effort, try to do nicely by myself. Powder coating will be very nice. They're covering all the little scratches and everything. So yeah, pretty much done. Took me to do like roughly around 2 hours. So if you like, guys, you can use the other style. You don't need to copy me. You can do any size you like. I done this one particularly to my sizes needed. So yeah, for now that's it. If you like, please thumbs up, subscribe please, comment below, and have a nice weekend and Women's Day. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.